Alright, hi guys. So today's video I want to show you a pretty handy tip. This is a common gas station. How many times have you pulled up and realized your gas tank is on the wrong side? So today we're going to solve that problem. And as a case in point, we could all these different type of cars, they all have different gas tank locations. And so if you're like me and you have more than one car, you're gonna have a hard time remembering which is which. Is it on the left side? Is it the right side? So walking to my car. Here's my car. And my gas tank is not on the left side. It is right there on the right side. How am I supposed to remember that, right? Well, my friends, luckily all manufacturers have a handy tool that we can use to remember where our gas tank is. And it is right here on your gas fuel gauge. If you look right there, you see that arrow sign right there? That indicates it's on the right side. So remember, my gas tank was on the right side, not the left. So it's on the right side. Pretty cool, huh? Okay, so let's test a second car. So this is another car of ours. Alright. So let's see what we learned last time. Turn on the dash. I guess we have to insert the key in this case. So, based on what we learned last time, we look at the gas gauge, and the arrow is lifting towards the left. That means that it should be on the left, right? On the left, not the right. Let's go check it out. Should be on the left, which is this side once you get out of the car, and boom, it's right there. Not on the right. Not the right, on the left. So this will be very handy when it comes to like rental cars, because rental cars you won't always know where the gas tank is. So hope you found that helpful.